Hi everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to rank up players in FC Mobile game. Ranking up your players in FC Mobile is essential to build a strong team, compete in higher leagues, and unlock better rewards. First of all, open your FC Mobile game on a device and make sure you are inside the main menu. From the main menu, go to the bottom right corner and look for the club button and tap on it. This will open up this club section where you'll need to click on players on the right hand corner. Under players, select a player you want to rank up. After choosing the player, click on the rank up button. Now click on the rank up button once again. Ranking up a player will require you to spend some in-game currencies. Click on the rank up button to confirm that you are trying to rank up the player, and once you do that, you'll be able to rank a specific player in FC Mobile. So that is how it's super easily done. You can also repeat the process for ranking up any other player according to your choice. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.